When you have mastered the planks exercise, time to progress to side planks. For side planks, position your elbow right under your shoulders, your legs in line with your torso, feet one over the other, the arm above, straight vertically, and raise your body like this. Now, very important to correct your pelvic rotation. Often we tend to, I'm exaggerating, we tend to hold like this. But our torso and pelvis should be in complete sideline, 90-degree turn position. And you should feel the effort coming from this muscle here. While holding this position still, keep breathing deep. Neck should be neutral too. Hold for as long as you can and then slowly come down. For those who are not able to do with legs spread straight, they can start with folding the knees at 90 degrees and raising the torso like this. Remember to take care of your pelvic rotation and keep breathing deep. Level up your core stability with this side plank and let me know in the comments how did you feel.